Dubai does not announce itself. It waits. Behind glass towers, behind empty highways at night, behind silence that feels engineered. This city was not built to be discovered. It was built to separate. Most places grow around people. Dubai grows around capital. Here, luxury is not decoration. It is infrastructure. Every experience you are about to see exists for one reason only: to remain unreachable. This is not travel content. This is not aspiration. This is a record of distance. Chapter 1. A city designed to filter you. Dubai does not welcome everyone equally. There are layers here, visible, semi-visible, and completely hidden. The most expensive experiences in this city are never listed. They don't compete. They don't advertise. You don't find them. You are invited. And most people never will be. Luxury here isn't emotional. It's procedural. Access replaces excitement. Silence replaces celebration. The deeper the luxury, the quieter it becomes. Chapter 2. The $100,000 night. There are hotel rooms. And then there are spaces that reject the word hotel entirely. High above the city, behind doors that never display numbers, are residences that cost over $100,000 per night. No check-in desk. No lobby. An elevator opens directly into stillness. Walls lined with stone imported from continents away. Gold used sparingly, but deliberately. Windows that erase the city below. Staff move without sound. Requests are anticipated. This is where billionaires sleep between decisions. Where royalty disappears. Where time slows. In Dubai, even rest is hierarchical. Chapter 3. The plane that never left. There is a jet waiting on the runway. Its engines are off. The cabin lights glow softly. Tonight, it will not fly. This is a private jet dining experience. A meal staged inside a long-range aircraft that never leaves the ground. Chefs plate courses mid-cabin. Crystal glasses reflect the ceiling lights. The illusion of departure lingers. Cost: around $150,000. Because at this level of wealth, movement is symbolic. You don't go anywhere. Everything comes to you. Chapter 4. Speed without limits. Dubai does not hide its supercars. It normalizes them. But the real elite don't rent a car. They rent absence of restriction. Entire roads cleared. Private convoys. Track access without spectators. A single weekend costs $250,000. No speed limits. No consequences. Speed becomes quiet, controlled, inevitable. This is not thrill. It's authority. Chapter 5. The desert. You're not meant to see. Tourists see dunes. The elite see ownership. Beyond checkpoints lie private desert lands, used by royal families and those permitted to enter. Multi-day stays exceed $500,000. No Wi-Fi. No schedules. No outside presence. At night, silence becomes physical. Firelight flickers. Stars sharpen. This is where negotiations slow down. Where decisions are made without pressure. The desert does not entertain. It absorbs. Chapter 6. Islands with no address. Some people buy homes. Others buy removal. off Dubai's coast or private islands, each designed for a single owner. No neighbors. No public access. Prices begin at $10 million. Some exceed $30 million. From above, they look peaceful. From the ground, they feel unreachable. This is not real estate. It's distance management. Chapter 7. When chefs travel, not you restaurants or public. Privacy requires chefs. In Dubai, Michelin-level chefs are flown in, sometimes same day. Menus are never printed. They are understood. A single dinner can reach $100,000. No reviews. No applause. Only execution. Taste here is not preference. It's expectation. Chapter 8. Dining above fear. Hundreds of feet above the city, a table floats. The wind is real. The height is undeniable. Each seat costs $20,000. The meal is irrelevant. This experience exists to test trust, and remind you that luxury isn't safety. It's controlled risk. Chapter 9. Floating kingdoms. Dubai's yachts are not boats. They are mobile territories. Weekly costs exceed $1 million. Helipads. Submarines. Security teams. The yacht does not dock. It appears, then disappears. Water becomes neutral ground. Chapter 10. Shopping without memory. After hours, the lights stay on. Entire floors close for one client. $500,000 nights are routine. Receipts are optional. What matters is discretion. Because visibility is a liability. Chapter 11. Buying time itself. Dubai's elite wellness programs don't promise peace. They promise extension. Private longevity clinics. Genetic optimization. 24/7 medical oversight. Costs reach 7 figures. Health becomes an asset. Time becomes negotiable. Epilogue. The quiet truth. Dubai is not excessive. It is deliberate. Every experience you've seen exists to maintain distance, from noise, from rules, from everyone else. For most people, Dubai is a destination. For the 1%, it is a filter. This is Krosstrail. And this was the world you were never meant to enter.